Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Arshmita. Hope you guys are doing fine and well. So this is a makeup look that I've created for office. This is under 5 minutes and using minimum product. This is the most effortless makeup that you can see on internet. So if you want to know how I created this look under 5 minutes, please keep on watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do it guys. I'll be coming up with more helpful videos for you guys. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So now let's begin. So the first thing that I'm going to do to my face is first moisturize, and because you will be out in the open and you're going to be exposed in the sun, so make sure you're using a sunscreen. So now I'm not going out anywhere, so I'm not using a sunscreen now, I'm just using a moisturizer, but you should use it. So the one that I'm using is Pond's. Pond's बहुत अच्छा ड्रग स्टोर प्रोडक्ट है एंड इसका जो टेक्सचर है काफ़ी स्टिकी है, तो हमारा जो फाउंडेशन है उसके लिए बेस बहुत अच्छा रेडी होता है. सो दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी अफोर्डेबल एंड इट्स वेरी गुड. इट स्मेल्स अमेजिंग टू. डोंट फॉरगेट योर नेक, बिकॉज आप यहाँ पे भी कंसीलर या फाउंडेशन यहाँ पे भी आप यूज़ करने वाले हो, तो मॉइस्चराइज यहाँ पे भी करना ज़रूरी होता है. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज़ यूज़ अ कंसीलर. Now if you don't want to use a concealer, you can skip it, and if you have some dark areas under your eyes or wherever you want, you can use a concealer. The one that I'm using is LA Girl Pro Conceal. So it's a very good drugstore concealer if you want one. It's a little bit on the pricier side, but considering it gives a very good coverage, you can go with this. So I'm just applying it under my eye region and wherever I want to hide my blemishes. Now I'm going to use a sponge to blend this out. आप हाथों का भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो if you don't want to use any tool. You have to go dab 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 with it. So I'm done with the concealer. Now I'll be going with a foundation. If you don't want to use a foundation, then it's completely fine. If you want to I'm using Milani. If you don't want to use this high-end product, then you can go with Maybelline. Maybelline Fit Me, as all know, it's a very very famous foundation. It gives a pretty good coverage and it comes in many shades, so you can pick your shade. So instantly, as you can see, it just brightened up my face and it has hidden most of my blemishes and spots. Yeah, I'm going to take a little bit more and drag it to my neck region as well. Okay, so as you can see that now my skin looks pretty even. Abhi you can use a compact powder. The one that I'm using is Nykaa Skin Genius Compact. If you don't want to go with this, again you can go with the Maybelline one. It's very cheap and it gives a good coverage as well. Okay, so I'm going to use a brush like this. If you don't want to use a brush like this, you can also get it done with the help of a sponge. So take like this, dust it off and then apply. So when you're using something like a powder formula into your face, it just sets your makeup and gives a matte finish. If you don't want to use a compact, you can also go with a loose powder or translucent powder, anything of your choice, whatever you have. Or I don't want to contour my face because that will be too much for an office look, so I just want to give a bronzy kind of an effect, so I'm using a bronzer. You can use any one. Actually, the one that I'm using is a Color Bar blush in the shade Fallen Leaves, but I'll be recommending you that palette of Maybelline where it's a three thing, you know, blush, a contour shade, and also a highlighter all in one, so you can get it, do three things with the help of one product. So what I'm doing is that in upward motion, I'm just trying to mark a shade over here and joining this with the hairline. Again, I'm taking the product like this and dusting it off, and I'll be doing like this and joining it with the hairline. So this gives a sculpted effect and you get a dimension in your face. Your face looks a bit chiseled. You can also take it down to a hairline if you are having a big forehead. Yeah, I guess that's it. Now if you want to use a blush, you can use. If you don't want to use, that's also fine, but I'll be using a blush. Okay, this I have bought long back, so it has turned into something like this, and I have also lost the lid, so I just cover it with whatever lid I find. So I'll be taking it like this, dusting it off, and then I'll be just applying it on top of my bronzer like this. So it gives a blushy effect. You have pink cheeks, which looks really nice and fresh. Also on my nose. Okay, I guess that's it. Okay, now I'll be working on my eyebrows. So I'll be using one single product for my eyebrows. That is, I'll be using this Miss Claire eyebrow cake. If you're considering one product for eyebrow, I'll highly recommend this product because this is really handy to use and it's very affordable and it will last you for a year or so. Very easy to apply as well, so this is highly recommended. So just fill your sparse areas. Just in the direction of your eyebrows, just fill your sparse areas. I guess that's pretty it. Now I'll be moving on to my eyelids. As you're going to office and you're not going to be overboard with makeup, so use a single shadow. I'll be using this palette from Wet n Wild. This is the most affordable palette and the pigmentation is damn, it's amazing. If you're going to buy a palette like this, then you're going to have so many shades, and all the shades that is there is matte. Only 2 shades are shimmery and the shimmers are also mind-blowing. If you want to go with an eyeshadow palette that is very affordable, that comes with amazing pigmentation, then you can consider this palette. This is amazing according to the price range. So I'll be taking a fluffy brush like this because I'll just be applying one shade to enhance my eyelids, to give a little bit of definition. That's it. So I'll be using a color like so. I'll be using this color. I'll be taking it like this and dusting it off and using it on my lid. Okay. All over my lid, and also I'm going to take it up on my crease and blend it. As I've told you, it's a very easy makeup just to enhance your features. Whatever you have, you're just going to enhance it, and it's going to look presentable and very wide open as you're going to office, so you want to look presentable. So this is a simple minimalistic makeup that you can do, and you would look just as presentable as possible. Okay, so the next thing that I'll do to my eyes is basically take a brush like this, if you can see, and take a black color. I'm taking this color from this same eyebrow palette of Miss Claire, and I'll be taking the color here, and I'll be just applying outer corner of my eyelid, just like this, because I'm not going with an eyeliner, so I'll be just using it in the outer corner of my eyes. And you don't have to be precise. You don't have to be precise with this. And you can just smudge it out. You can see what I've done. Yeah, that's it. And for the lower part, I'm going to use a kajal. The one that I'm using is Nykaa I Am Smoky Kajal. This is the one I'm using. So I'll be just drawing a line in my waterline. Kajal makes a hell lot of difference. And also I'll be tight lining my eyes. Yeah, that's it. That's how simple is it. Now if you want to do a smudged kind of a look, you can go with another shade, but I want to keep it as simple as possible. I just wanted my eyes to look wide open. So this is the minimalistic thing. This is the most kaam chalao thing that I have done. And one more thing that you can do, you can take this shade, this dark browny shade, take it a little bit in this same thing by which you have applied the upper eyelid thing, and you can smudge this lower area. So yeah, that's it for the eyes. Now I'll be moving on to my lips. Okay, one more thing is left that is to be done is mascara. So I am leaving it for the last portion. Now considering this an office look, you don't want a lot of color on your lips. A little bit, but it should not be bold. I'll be using a color like this. This is a very pretty color. This is by Lakme Absolute in the shade Soft Nude. Yeah, so as you can see how pretty this looks. And the last thing that I've left is mascara. The one that I'm using is Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. And don't forget the lower portion as well. The lower lashes are also very important. Yeah, I guess that's it for this makeup. Now I'll be meeting you after I do a makeover sort of a thing. Okay, you'll see. Wait.